In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock your domain and obtain the EPP code from Hostinger, transfer your domain to GoDaddy, and successfully complete the transfer. Now, transferring your domain might sound complicated, but we're going to break it down into a few simple steps, ensuring you have all the information you need. Let's start with unlocking your domain and retrieving the EPP code from Hostinger. First, you'll want to head over to Hostinger's website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you manage your domains. It should be relatively straightforward to find, usually labeled as domains or something similar. Click on the domain you wish to transfer. You'll need to ensure that it's unlocked, as domains are typically locked by default for security reasons. In your domain settings, look for an option to unlock the domain and proceed by clicking that. After the domain is unlocked, you'll find an option to retrieve the EPP code, sometimes referred to as the authorization or transfer code. Copy this code as you will need it shortly. Now that you've prepared your domain for transfer, it's time to log into your GoDaddy account. Head over to GoDaddy's website and enter your credentials. Once you're in, look for an option that says domain transfer or something similar. GoDaddy's interface can vary, but these options are generally easy to locate on the main dashboard. Once you've found the transfer section, you're going to need the domain name you're transferring and, of course, the EPP code that you copied earlier. Enter these details into the fields provided. This process initiates the transfer of your domain into your GoDaddy account. It's crucial to double check that the domain name and the EPP code are correct, as any mistakes could delay or disrupt the transfer. After this, you'll need to confirm a couple of email notifications. You'll receive emails from both Hostinger and GoDaddy regarding the transfer. These emails are essential as they ensure that the transfer was intentionally initiated by you. Go through each email carefully, looking for any confirmation links or codes you need to use. Click on any provided links or follow instructions as outlined. After confirming the emails, it's mainly a matter of waiting. Domain transfers can take a few days, so don't worry if it doesn't happen immediately. During this time, both Hostinger and GoDaddy will be working behind the scenes to ensure a smooth transition of your domain services. You'll receive a notification from GoDaddy once the transfer is complete, and there you have it. You've successfully unlocked your domain, retrieved the EPP code, initiated a transfer with GoDaddy, and completed the process by confirming your emails. Transferring a domain may seem daunting at first, but with these steps, you're well on your way to mastering the process. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.